Hola, this is Harry Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another boot for you guys. You can see I have Merrell. Let's take this off, guys. Here we go. Wow. Here is written Merrell waterproof, so water will not go inside of this product. Let's see the sole. It has very high grip. I listen. It says quantum grip, so hole is very strong. I feel very high grip in this. Wow, beautiful stitching are very detailed of this boot. Could be unisex for man and woman if you want. Don't specify any particular. See, sole at the top is up. Make sure here I feel as a leather with a different part of leather with the cotton mixed together. Here the lace you can tie it with this mechanism. So very beautiful inside right in Merrell. So very high quality, lovely. Let's take the other pair from here. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.